Hi everyone, welcome back Disney lovers. I know it's been a while since I've been on, but I'm coming to you today with a very special Magic at Your Door box. So I am so excited. I took a few months off from Magic at Your Door just to save money. We've been planning a wedding this year, so things have been kind of crazy. But I decided to start again for the month of April. So I will be visiting Disney again in May. We'll be going back home to Disney World. So in preparation and to get excited about that, I thought that I would start my boxes again, at least for the months of April and May. So this is the April Magic at Your Door box. I've seen some pictures recently, so I'm so excited to get mine. Let's just get started. As you can see, there's a little 2 on the front. It's Magic at Your Door's 2-year anniversary. So they've got like a little 2 and a little cake going on there. So let's open this up and see. It's been so long since I've done one of these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Mother's Day magic. So this is the little pricing guide. Use the code MOM15 to receive $15 off a one-time magic box. Valid through 5/2, so that's only a few days. So hopefully I'll post this pretty quickly and then you can take a look. I'm seeing something funny on the pricing guide, which makes sense. When I was looking at the Magic at Your Door Facebook group, a few people were posting pictures and Mike was actually taking the pictures down and saying that there were surprises in the box this month. So I was trying really hard not to see any and hoping that no one would post them, and they didn't. I really haven't seen anything, so I'm pretty excited about that. There is at the bottom, oh, there's a couple different things on the pricing guide that I don't recognize. So I'm gonna just keep that to the side for now, but it says May Magic Teaser. Make sure that you have Disneyland selected in your preferences to receive a major surprise item. So that's good to keep in mind for next month. So all different colors for the birthday celebration. Some different bright confetti mixed in with the white. So let's just dig in and see what we've got. Okay, what is that? Ah, okay. It is a little purse and it says, "Oh, Mickey." It's like a little speech bubble there. That is cute. Oh, I can already see the confetti popping out of it. So let's take a look. Oh My Disney. Okay, I have seen some great stuff lately from Oh My Disney. If you follow them on Instagram, and they have tons of stuff in the Disney store right now, but very cool, like cute, unique things. So it looks like there's some stuff inside here too. Let me put that down for a second. So that Oh Mickey purse is really cute. I like that. Oh, there we go. There were some like little things on it. There. Okay. Oh, Mickey. And it looks like inside there were, oh! Okay, so first of all, there is this headband, it looks like. Yeah. Mickey Mouse headband. It's Mickey Mouse and polka dots, which I totally love. I'm a big polka dot person. But even more special of a surprise, I just mentioned that I'm getting married in June, and we had actually an entire up-theme engagement party. You can see kind of some videos about that in my videos on YouTube, but it looks like they included this really cute Carl and Ellie pin from them getting married, which is so special. I'm so excited about that. So that's awesome, and that's perfect timing, so thank you. So that is awesome, and these were actually both hidden inside of the little purse, so very exciting. Be very careful and make sure that I check every little crevice of these things. That was really thoughtful. I'm really excited about that. Okay, let me go back to the box and see what we've got. I see some ears. All right, so it looks like they're castle ears. They've got Cinderella's castle in the middle, like beautiful sequins there, silver, and I feel like this would be really good too. Like I have bridal ears from Magic at Your Door to wear when we go back to Disney, before the wedding and after the wedding. And then these are kind of very bridal too, with like the silver, gold, you know, castle type thing. So that is awesome. I'm so excited. I always love getting ears in my boxes. Yay! Thank you. Look, it even goes with this outfit. I should wear them to work. Okay, let me continue. They're gonna be cut out of the screen on here, but all right. So silver pouch, looks like that is what's next. I'm getting this everywhere. I'm so excited. All right, let me take these off because they're falling off of me. All right, what do we got? So, oh, there's a few things in here. Okay, pull out just what comes out first. Make sure I don't lose anything in there. Oh my gosh, it's an Alex and Ani bracelet, and it's happily ever after. So, oh, that is so cute because we're getting married, but also because of the fireworks show, and it's really pretty. And again, it's got like those white and silver colors. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. And I wear so many Alex and Ani bracelets, especially Disney. We have like a tradition where every time we go, my fiance buys me a new one. And so this will be really, that's perfect to add to that collection. Thank you. That's awesome. I'm so glad. I saw people getting Alex and Ani bracelets and I was like, I don't know which one I would really want. That was literally perfect for me. So thanks. Okay, hold on, there's more in here. What do we got? Oh, cute. Okay, so I actually got a Magic at Your Door pin in the last box that I received. So I believe that was in December, and they just kind of threw it in as an extra surprise. So these, I'm guessing, are the two extra surprises. This is a Magic at Your Door pin, and it looks like it is a special one celebrating their 2-year anniversary. So let me see if I can get it to focus on that. So it looks like the other pin with the Magic at Your Door, but then it has the little piece of cake with a 2 on top running around. So very cute. I like to add these to my Disney collections. I actually had a lot of people ask last time I was in Disney about Magic at Your Door. I think it was the ears I was wearing and the pin, and so it's a good conversation starter, and hopefully some of those people that I saw in the parks, I hope maybe you're watching this or you got your own Magic at Your Door box. So if you did, I hope you like it as much as I do. And then a lanyard to go with it too. So again, it's another Magic at Your Door 2. See if I can get it to the pouch behind it. Yeah, there we go. Very cute. So I can definitely, I might even wear this to work, who knows, but awesome. Oh, I love getting extra surprises too. One thing that they did say on top of the description of the prices and the box is make sure you check every nook and cranny, because they do. They love to hide things within different things. So the purse had 2 items in it. The pouch had 3 things in it. It just makes it even more fun, like more of a surprise. You're not expecting it. So awesome. I really, really enjoyed this box. This was really personalized. These are all things that I would actually use or wear or like. I love getting the Disney purses. This one actually looks like it would fit my wallet and my phone. I have the Danielle Nicole Cogsworth bag from Beauty and the Beast, and it's really cute and it's Cogsworth face, but I can't fit like anything in it. It's just so oddly shaped, and the iPhone is too big to fit in it, and then my wallet is definitely too big because I have one of the long wallets. But this actually has some good space in there. It's got a little pattern inside too, polka dots. I love polka dots. I guess any Disney fan probably really does. But this definitely looks like it's nice and long, so I feel like I could definitely fit my phone in there and maybe even my wallet too, and a few other things. So I like that, and it's a really bright color, so that's awesome. Here, we can actually test that theory. Make sure that it fits. Oh yeah, yep, so that would fit, and my wallet would probably fit as well. Yeah. So very nice. Maybe even some sunscreen in there, because I'll definitely be needing that, I'm sure. But this was a great box. I'm glad that I took a few months off. It's nice to kind of take a little break and, you know, save some money, and then it's a pleasant surprise. And I was so looking forward to it this month. So I am going to add up the prices and then let you know. Okay, I was just sitting here talking to my sister about how much I really love this box. I mean, every box that I get is really personalized, and I made sure that when I started it back up again, I put in a lot of information about like our upcoming wedding, and I was very specific in my preferences and unpreferences. If there was anything that I ever got in the past that like I really didn't want, I changed my preferences and made sure that, you know, that applied. But these are all things that I will actually use and that I love. Like this headband, I mean, it's subtle but also very Disney. It's perfect for me. I love like headbands and things like that. The ears, again, like subtle but still Disney. It's just very much my style, so I'm really excited about that. I did add up everything, and the total of the main 5 items came to $126.87, which I pay, I believe it's $89.99. I took a few months off, so correct me if I'm wrong. I'll add it in the description if that's incorrect. But I believe it's $89.99, so $90. It includes all of these items and shipping, and it was $126 worth of items, not to mention the beautiful dude lanyard and dude pin from Magic at Your Door, which apparently cost $1 million each, according to Mike. So really, we're looking at $2,126. But anyway, what a great thing. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know what you think down below, and hopefully I'll see you in May at Disney. Bye.